Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we always bring you the latest and most exciting beauty finds. If you're looking to elevate your eye game this holiday season, you might want to take a closer look at the KIKO Milano Snow-Kissed Holiday Jingle Trio Eyes Gift Set. This festive little bundle promises to give you the tools for a dramatic, defined, and beautifully enhanced eye look. Keep watching to see how these products actually perform and if they live up to the hype. This trio set from KIKO Milano includes everything you need to make your eyes the star of your makeup look. A volumizing mascara, a sleek eyeliner pen, and a metallic eyeshadow. Whether you're aiming for an intense, smoky eye or a pop of shimmer, this set is designed to cover all your bases for a polished, bold finish. The packaging is just adorable, perfect for gifting or treating yourself this season. The mascara is formulated to volumize your lashes, giving them that extra oomph without clumping, while the eyeliner pen is super precise, helping you create that sharp, defined cat eye with ease. The metallic eyeshadow adds that glowy, reflective finish, which really makes the eyes pop. As for the formula, all three products perform well in terms of texture and wearability. The mascara glides on smoothly without flaking, and the eyeliner pen has a nice inky black finish that stays put all day. The eyeshadow, although metallic, isn't overly glittery. It has a subtle sheen that's perfect for both daytime wear and those more glamorous evening looks. I was really impressed by how easy these products were to use, especially the eyeliner pen. I typically struggle with getting that perfect line, but this one was so smooth and precise, making application a breeze. The mascara didn't feel too heavy on my lashes, and the eyeshadow stayed vibrant throughout the day. There are definitely some pros to this set, starting with the high pigmentation of both the eyeliner and eyeshadow. The mascara also holds up well, adding noticeable volume without feeling too heavy or crunchy. But as always, there are a couple of cons to consider. The eyeshadow is a little prone to creasing if not properly set, so you'll want to make sure you're using a good primer to prevent that. Also, while the mascara adds volume, it's not necessarily the best for those who want extreme length. So if that's your preference, this may not be the right choice for you. When it comes to value for money, the KIKO Milano Snow-Kissed Holiday Jingle Trio is definitely a solid pick for the price. It's a great way to test out some of the brand's most popular eye products without breaking the bank. The performance of these products is comparable to other mid-range beauty brands, and they're definitely a steal considering the quality. As for alternatives, if you're looking for a similar set but at a lower price point, brands like ELF Cosmetics offer some great eyeshadow and mascara duos that are both affordable and high quality. However, if you're looking for something a bit more luxurious, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara or Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil could be an option to consider, though they'll come with a higher price tag. Now, I didn't have direct experience with KIKO Milano's customer service for this product, but the brand is known for its responsiveness and helpful support. Their products are generally well received in terms of quality, and customer inquiries are typically handled swiftly. If you're wondering whether this trio set is worth your attention, I'd say it's a great choice for anyone looking to experiment with bold, festive eye looks this holiday season. The set provides good value, especially considering the high quality of the mascara and eyeliner, and the metallic eyeshadow offers that perfect holiday sparkle without being overwhelming. If you've tried this set, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm always curious to hear how these products work for you. And of course, if you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this review. Your support helps us keep bringing honest reviews like this. If you're ready to grab this trio, you can find the link in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.